Couldn't tell if you were on the.
I was on both.
Oh, was you?
Ain't seen him yet. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
We'll swing him around here, Mike. Try to get down there.
That's a nice fish.
There we go.
That's close to keeper even for here.
Nice fish, Mike.
Thank you, thank you.
There you go.
What you gonna do with him?
He's a solid 3. He's an eater as far as his mouth tore out.
Yeah.
I just caught him from.
That's what makes he likes to eat.
Oh. He got it? No, I thought he got it all.
No, I thought he stole the bait. He wasn't paying attention.
Oh, that went perfectly in there. Oh, let's pull it out. Maybe he got their attention. Oh, that was close. He about got your rod. He's on there.
I know, and it's a monster.
He barely caught that rod.
That is a good one.
Holy cow.
Kevin, you'll help him
Yeah. Get him over here so we're close. Come here, don't look me. Ah, I got it.
It cost me.
Nice one.
It cost me a rod.
Oh. Well, you got the one with the fish on it. That's the one that counts. I thought that rod was gone.
So did I.
He's got a hole in his mouth too. That is nice.
That's a 4.5. Put a scale on him.
I'm going. He gonna get a scale on him. Yep. Chatterbait rod's gone. That is correct.
Yeah.
Oh man. All right.
Gotta hang on that pole tight, Phil.
I had a grip on it, but when I jerked it didn't move.
I know that's right. I lost a rod that way. I had to hit right off them weeds. He disappeared fast. £4.5 pounds.
I bet that's pretty good.
343.
I thought it was better than that.
3.5 though. Not a bad little chunk here for Newton Lake. Whew. Oh. Yeah.
Well, there's some good ones in there now.
Shoo.
Another big one.
He ain't bad.
Your bait's up here on the dash.
Yeah.
You spit it out.
Feisty fish.
Want your bait back? Seen you fixing to set up on him.
Put a jig on and quit wind jamming them. Or put a jig on and then wind jam them.
Kevin, I need some stuff out of that. I need your help.
I can do that. I'm not catching anything nowhere.
He's got a wacky rig in, I know.
Oh, hold on, here, right here.
That's
Hey, hand him-
something
hey-
I need to lip.
Yeah, hey, no, hand him that one right there.
Which, oh, that one.
That's a good fish.
Yeah, that's a real good fish.
Get it out of there. Gonna need a little trimming.
And I'm scissors.
There you go, guys. Another good fish.
3 days later.
At least nothing I've pulled off so far. But then again, I mean, it does go from...
It looks like that wall.
Yes. There's one. Oh,
On the ripper wrap.
another good fish. Another good fish. I ain't even seen him yet, Mike.
Oh, that's a good one.
Boat flop.
That's a good one. His lips all boogered up too.
Hold still, you mean fish.
Alright, I might need a 6-inch swim bait.
Look at that, guys. That is another solid, probably 3.5. We're gonna put him on a scale once again. Now, when we were talking about the old riprap not getting it,
It gave one up, didn't it?
it did. Hold still. $2.79.
Yeah, I thought he was better.
I did too. Hey man,
He ain't bad, but
he's plenty awesome.
you storing those?
Huh?
You storing them?
No, I haven't been.
Get in my tackle box and you can get one out if you want. These long shanks here.
I was like, 'cause I could really use you in that drawer that you're sitting on top of.
Okay.
So you need to get one out so I can get some pit bosses out. I'm out.
You gotta tell me, 'cause I don't know where things are at. Another decent four. I don't know which one.
All right, guys. Well, both cameras in the back just died, but here's fish number 16 or so. So we're gonna get him back in.
Oh yeah. Oh, I look like a good one.
You know, we probably really need to get the net out.
I was gonna say, do you guys like own a net? Yeah.
And that's why. It's in the compartment that all your stuff's on top of.
Oh, bounce it off the limb. That'll get their attention. Oh, there he is. Another little fucker.
Another fish for Kevin on the swim jig.
5. You know, I got a
Swim bait.
Don't be ungrateful and don't fuck up my lure. Him right in the nostril. He wasn't getting away. We didn't do much in them shallow areas.
Oh, there's one.
You get him in the boat, can't you?
Yeah.
He's still a decent fish. Yeah.
He's a 2. Easy. Really? You had to sling my stuff, huh? You just felt the need, huh?
So you need another bait.
I got a box. I got a bag of them over here. There's you another Newton Lake, little 2-pound, pound and 3/4 chunk.
No problem.
There's one.
What did you catch him on?
Pit balls. Dragging behind the boat, trying to lower the motor.
Wow. That's a good one. Another.
Solid 3.
Yeah.
Trolling? Maybe we should be trolling.
Guys, there's another solid fish.
Number deuce.
Ugh.
Is that 23?
Hey guys, you can see we had a great day out on Newton Lake. Caught quite a few fish. We did get the storms to blow us off the water. Lost some of the footage on Mike's camera, but we still had a lot of great fish. I think we put 8 or 9 over 3 pounds, 28 fish in total. So guys, thanks for watching, and we'll be bringing back more fishing videos the rest of the summer.